Lazy din. Kadadlaw mo ka lazy.
Dili.
Unsa lang.
Karon na.
Karon na short. Ano ka naglangoy-langoy diha?
Dapat dili ko nimo tubuon ko.
Wow.
Dili ko nimo.
Birthday nimo.
Dili ko nimo maditahan.
Dai, nang impigod ko dai, nang arrange dai.
Comforting na nini ko na diri mo amoy. Dili ko dira.
Oh, unsa?
Dili ta magkulit-kulit diri.
Mag-clean gani cook dali lang.
Pero maglakaw ta.
Maglakaw ganita, so kailangan na ito mag-ano, prepare na.
Oh, karon tayo.
Para mapakabuhat ko juice ninyo.
Pangit din ang bed ninyo taas kayo ah.
Sige daw.
Mahulog ko. Tanawa, nakaluwad ko.
Mm.
Oh, anak mo. Oh. Sa una pa pag mag-ano ka sa bed gani, di ba mag-anak ka, katapoy ana. Ano sa bed? Nata.
Kita man good.
Taas kayo. Duha ka ni ka bed no, duha ka patong ay tatlo.
Dalawa lang oy. Tupper man ang gamit namo, katong tupper gud nagibay.
Tapos kapal na ni sa ilalong daan. Nice. Walay bunga ilang santol dito.
Ay. Oh, wala diha.
Crazy deal.
Dito ka sa couch ka. Igot ka makita.
Gani, tanawa maglikod pa.
Ako nang salakay na tanawa ra ko dere. Ta. Tara, nabasa na ako. Di ba? Gihalay na ako dito. Tungod anong tubig dira. Nasagi na ako kahapon. So,
Nakita ni mo na tanan?
hindi na imo.
Nakita mo na? Tanan nga maabot sa imong mata? Dili na ato. Nakita ni mo na dako nga puno sa santol?
Kadili na imo.
Tamis na.
How did you know?
Dako man yung puno.
Kakaroon ka. Ano day na?
Pag dako ang puno,
Bakit sila nag-start work na diha, no?
dako ang chance na bangkok na.
Ah, same sa house. Ito
Oo,
yung nanay.
nanay. Pag bangkok na, tamis na. Pag tamis na, mangayo ta.
Palayo.
Mga anak ta. Kuya, gibantayan din mo na puno ninyo sa santol.
Kiba, ambot naman sa mong mata.
Tapos na diri sa France atong dala oh.
Mm.
Naipuno sa marang.
Mm.
Pag nagbunga na, ano ko na to, nangilahilahon ko na to, para pag nahulog siya dala sa ato ah. Look, nanay puso sa saging.
Oo.
Tapos nanay gagmay nga saging.
Mm.
Nakita niyo ang isa? Nasa uluhan ni Uno, di ba?
Mm.
Pag,
Pao na nimo.
pag nagdako na, kay Uno na ang property. Ang property ni Uno ako ana.
Grabe ba ni mo mga logic niya?
Ay, ito ka ba? Ano na, ayaw pangayo ra ka.
Ay, wa ko
Ano
bro.
pangayo man ako pwede makamawak.
Yan, kawat. Grabe siya kakawatan. Parehagin mo heartbeat ug mindset ba?
Di ba? Pag nangayo ka na ay bakas.
Mhm.
Mating pa yung mga pride.
Mhm.
Yung ka. Pag nangawat ka, dili mo pride na niyo.
Yung kawatan. Hindi ko makatrust sa imo.
Hard work na ako ni wala na ko din pangayo.
Ay, gikawat mo.
Ana sila. Na, man lagi pangayo ra na niya. So, ay paubos jud ka kay pangayo ra na niyo. Pero gikawat ni mo na. Ay, wala ko nangayo sa imo ha.
Gikawat ko.
Gikawat ako na.
Ay, grabe man siya kakawatan ug mindset. Uy.
Dili.
Dili.
Dili na siya sa abot sa pangawat-awat.
Ano man about na sa?
Pero ni mo say, always ako lagi natudlo kay kita.
Kitudlo jud nimo.
Pinaka-worst na ako nga. Pinaka-worst nga mahatag nimo sa imong self is regret. Ang gipangayoan nimo, pag nag-away mong duha, iboy-iboy na sa imo. Ni sa una gani nangayo ko sa mong kamunggay ana. Oh, nag-regret mo pa na. Kay nangayo ko sa kamunggay.
So dapat wala regret.
Oo, wala na pag regret.
Maing ba nimo kaliwatan?
Dapat mangawat na jud ka. Ang gihabuan ako nimo, ako di pangayo.
Uy, ginoo ko. Hawd kay ka daw.
Nice. Ikaw ba lisod kay ko? So kay katudloan kay nag-resist ka. Dapat wala resistance.
Kawatan jud ka mindset.
Oh, pag nangawat ka, may dala na ka mabunga, bitbit pa ni may mga pride din ka.
Pride ba na?
Oh. Dili tanan nga tao kaya mangawat. Only mga strong lang dila kaya mangawat.
Strong og nangailangan.
It takes extra level of confidence Joe,
Yuck.
and skills para mangawat.
Stop. Kalain. Like accountant ka pero kawatan.
Dili na siya nagamatter kung sa
Position nimo. Kung sa work nimo.
Sa lipunan. Pag na ay tanong ang kanyang kapitbahay ug tanglad sa gawas ang balay nila, dili na ilaha ato ana tanglad. Tanglad ninyo ug tanglad na mo ato ana.
Ato.
Oo.
Magi.
Dugal na siya.
Pero sa pa man naman yung conjugal oy.
Nice. Gawas man, dili man to outside man to sa ilang property, outside po o di sa common.
Common property.
Oo, common property. Oh, so unsay tawag ana? Conjugal. Nice.
Ang good ka ba? Ayun ka kaliwatan.
Ano ganito ko heartbeat mo? Dili ko ma-amaze sa mga book smart. Sa mga street smart ko ma-amaze.
Pati ka straight.
Kaya bisag asa naman na sila dadong di na sila mga book
Ang mga girls na ba yun, ani?
Yeah. Ang ako aware.
Wala.
So ikaw wala.
Na ako isa lang. Dagang to, di ba?
Yeah, dagan ng extra. So shout out dito sa mga OJT. Asang extra.
kay nagpaano ko duha kay ano, kaya ti Shalani nagpa, ko Shalani pilis ko ni kung duha ti Shalani.
Ano ko ba to, Bobby?
Yeah.
Dami ati ko nimo para.
Di nami gid promise. Ano gali ko sa imong mga mo.
Kasi tingnan ko mo, ikaw na ba mo coffee? Dira na dahil yung laay.
Kaya rin na ay.
Ay. Wala ni man na-notice ako ang socks. Look at my socks.
Uy, ay lagi na. Why?
Nag-peak, di ba remember ako kasi mo nag-peak ko tong adlawon?
Oo.
Nakatama ko pili baba.
Ew. So isa ra.
Oo, isa nila. So nag-change ko. Wait just. Tapos dito na ko nagikuha sa mga walay pair.
Oo. Ah, okay. Okay naman kaya. Okay lang nga.
Ano din ay uban yan nila ilay ko yung sapatos. Dili ta pwede ikaw na yung dapat dili ta maging sunod sa
Uso.
oo sa uso or
Mo kaya nagustuhan ako mindset niya ano.
Kung saan
Mindset
sa norm.
ni Hischa. Because dili siya kanang someone ba na amo ni ang kailangan amo ni suton to di kay.
Yeah, be confident to be different.
Grabe na gid mo mga word of wisdom.
Pili na ko karon nakauna-una rin ko nga pili ko na ako yung niche para maging public speaker ba is very class.
Ikaw kaya na nimo.
Tapos may yaw-yaw na ko tumingin sa hilom na tayo.
Yaw man ka. Feeling lang imo ano.
Nice. Nice lagi itong bunga sa niyog nila dito ako.
Hindi ko na napod niyo kasi mag-imong ta schedule ba? Ha? Nya gani kay enter nang ba wala pa
Hindi,
siguro.
okay na po natin.
Yeah. Kasi man isa mo start.
Ay, may dapat din yung puno sa mangga dito ah.
Hmm?
Nakita ko ang puno sa mangga ba? And we have our own puno ng star apple dito sa likod oh. Dili siya straight sa atong property. Dili ko siya straight sa pikas na property, siya sa common property na siya.
Star apple?
Opo. Pag nakuha na siya, pwede ka manguha nila.
Abang. Tawatan kay ka ba?
Nagkaon yung pangkulo.
Ano ka siya?
Mangita daw tao, kumano siya nagkaon? Mga story-story mangita na namin. Mangita daw tao, ang tabako leaf. Oh, fresh na tabako leaf. Tapos isog, nagpakita na kasi ako ng sidrosis ba? Tapos ano siya nga, immune disease daw siya. Diba, we have our own doctor in the house. Ano, nakita ko yung tabako leaf, tapos ipakuluan daw to. Tapos isog daw na ako dito ako ang tiyan mo. Tapos, si Art, isog niya sa nikotin. Kaya makahil daw na siya sa mga ano, mga rheumatoid something.
Oh, I see.
I lay down and I tried to roll over
Maybe
to
sit
get
up there
up.
and see if you can.
No.
No, sit forward so your knees are a little bit further up. So you can see if you sit like that,
No,
you can.
it's
But you're sliding
not
off.
enough.
Yeah.
I tried to sit in the X-Max.
Yeah.
I'm tiptoeing. Just one tiptoe. Because if I try to do both, I
With
can't.
that on the X Max?
Yeah.
Yeah, remember I told you she's too small for the X Max? Yeah.
Maybe we should sell both of them.
What? I shouldn't have the X Max?
Because you can't use
Because
it.
you can't use it? See, I just thought there was one bratty sister. Now I'm realizing the truth of the situation. Two bratty sisters.
That every day that X-Max is depreciating.
No, it's not. Actually, here's the deal. Every day without a bunch of miles on it, it just holds its value, just like gold.
No.
Yeah. New ones keep going up in price. They keep getting more expensive and more expensive. That one there with low kilometers on it just stays right where it's at. There's that sweet spot where it doesn't depreciate anymore. You know why? It's got low kilometers. And it's still in beautiful shape. It'll hold its value, especially here in the Philippines where there's so many people that dream about having an X-Max that own N-Maxes.
Yeah.
And eventually,
They're
say
gonna sell
they're
that.
going to sell their N-Max and buy. They can't afford to buy a brand new X-Max, but they sure could afford to buy a used X-Max with a custom paint job and muffler and stuff on it with low kilometers.
They're gonna buy the
So you were saying
the T-Max.
no, Honda Adventure 750,
Oh yeah, that's nicer now.
Yeah.
The ADV.
ADV 750. Yeah,
Maybe I can reach that.
no, you can't. It's even taller than the X-Max,
I thought because I saw maybe that's the 120, the 160.
the 160. Yeah.
Don't buy that.
Hey, KZ.
Wait, I'll come back.
I'm supposed to take your shoes, riding
The way-
riding boots, so you can touch your feet on the
Is
ground.
there? Right? I wonder how could those smaller girls drive the big bikes?
They don't.
There is.
Okay, well, yeah. Here's what they do. They lower the shocks. They lower the suspension down. They put lowering kits on them. The problem with the X-Max is it already doesn't have hardly any ground clearance. So if you
It's
lower it
already
down,
lowered.
it's already lowered. So if you lower it anymore, you're gonna just wipe out the whole bottom of it anytime you go over any kind of bump.
It's not nice.
I know life sucks, huh?
Can use it.
It's
I
so
keep waiting
life
for-
is just not fair for
I keep
short
waiting
people.
for a weekend that I'll be free so that I can drive the X-Max.
Yeah.
I'm free and I told them I want lazy day today. And I tried the X-Max, I cannot even
Oh, I'm sorry.
You would be fine as long as every time you stopped, you could lean.
get it going. Yeah, I
Yeah,
tried.
sit on one tiptoe.
Yeah.
But if traffic's really slow,
It's hard.
because you have to just go really slow and balance.
Balance
And then what if you go the wrong direction?
Mhm.
And this foot's up and this foot's down, and then it's too heavy for you to put back up.
See, I got an accident and I got a fine.
Mhm.
So never mind.
A nice relaxing day off. What's this?
A scar?
Hmm?
A scar.
A scar? It's a bump.
Yeah. There's an growing banana in there.
Where?
In upside of Lolo's parking spot.
Oh, across the street?
Yeah.
There's bananas all along there. One big bunch was ready to harvest, and somebody already harvested it. So somebody's keeping an eye on all that stuff in there.
I'm keeping the eye on that.
Yeah, as soon as one of those bananas turn yellow,
Yeah.
they'll harvest it.
I'm not going to wait till it's yellow. Until that's okay green. It will gonna be ripe even you
I
pick
wonder
it
how
up.
much gel time you get for stealing bananas.
It's outside of their fence.
Is it hanging over the...
Yeah. It's on top of Uno. So it's Uno's property and anything that Uno's
Oh,
property
it's Ono owns that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that should hold up in court. Yeah. Make sure you tell the police officers when they arrested you.
No one's gonna know, Scott. It's only you, Lotus, and me.
And all those guys across the street that have been keeping an eye on all the free bananas.
Yeah, but they don't
They already
know.
have. They've already harvested.
They don't know who's gonna take it.
True.
Yeah. There's no CCTV in there.
Okay. How you gonna harvest them? You got a huge ladder to climb up there and cut those down?
I'll show you. Watch out.
You gonna stand on top
No,
and
no,
mow
no, no.
and harvest?
It's
That
still
one is
small.
so small.
Yeah.
Hmm?
It's still small.
Yeah, I know.
Like,
But there was
very small
there was
bananas.
some out there.
Yeah.
They were like this big around. A couple were starting to turn yellow. That's perfect time.
Yeah.
So, yeah, and in a couple days later, gone. Yeah. Somebody else has the same idea. And if they're not close to being ripe yet,
Yeah.
they'll go bad before they ever ripen.
Yeah.
They won't ripen, and they'll start going bad.
Mhm.
Just like all those mangoes that guy across the street gave us.
Yeah.
They all only about a quarter of them actually were edible. Even those were in pretty tough shape because they were so green. But that green papaya I got and put on the porch, that thing ripened up beautifully. You guys should eat that before it's no good. It's really it's nice and it's still firm and super sweet. It's perfect, and it's good if you're constipated.
yeah, you're constipated. She tried to poop, but she cannot.
I know what you could do. You can eat that papaya. I'm taking a shower.
Okay.
Really?
Dito.
Hazel, you can stay in here. I can do all of my morning stuff
In the bathroom?
in the bathroom. I just need to take shorts and pants and wear socks with me.
And I'm eyeing for that. I'm sorry, sample gani, uy.
Santol in English?
Yeah,
What's wrong?
the sample. We know we
Cotton fruit.
protein food. Excuse me.
Sandocarium coita.
I'll be so glad when this kidney stone
Cotton fruit.
finally leaves my body. Whatever that